Did you know that you can have artificial intelligence write Etsy descriptions for you? Well, that is true. I believe that other people talked about this as well, but in the last few weeks I have been experimenting with multiple options, and some of those are free, some of those are paid. Well, at the moment they are free. I am talking about Canva and ChatGPT. I tried both and I will show you how they work. They are very easy to use and you might already have access to these, so why not use it? The description plays a big part in your Etsy SEO and how people are able to find you on the Etsy platform. And for that you need to write a keyword-dense description, especially the first few paragraphs at the beginning of your description. And what I did is that I gave both Canva and ChatGPT a prompt, and I will show you because I will give them the same prompt and we can see what kind of descriptions will they generate. But at the end I was left with a pretty good description that needed a little bit of tweaking and it was good to go onto Etsy. And when you have several products, it is really good to use something like this to speed up the process. And by several I mean 800 plus or 1000 plus in 2 shops. For the descriptions I usually follow a very defined structure, and the first part of this structure consists of a few paragraphs with sentences that are filled with my main keywords. And this is the part that I need the most help with. And by creating sentences with artificial intelligence that have already this keyword incorporated or very little tweaking, it helps me speed up the process. So let me show you how. Let's jump over to my computer and I will show you the exact process. Okay, so here we are in Canva and we are going to start out with the Canva docs. So I'm going to click on Canva doc and I'm going to create a new one. And this is how it looks like when you are working with documents inside of Canva. So what we are going to do is click on this plus button and click on Magic Write. And here we are going to enter in our prompt. We are going to use the same one for ChatGPT and we will be able to compare the response that they give us. So let's say Etsy description for printable budget planner. And let's see what we will get from here. We hit enter and we wait a few seconds. And ta-da! Here is the description generated. I will read it to you. This printable budget planner is designed to help you keep your finances in check and reach your financial goals. Perfect. It has 2 major keywords in it, or maybe more. Printable budget planner is the main obvious keyword. Finances is another main keyword, and financial goals is a really good keyword as well. It contains essential budget planning worksheets for tracking your income and expenses, setting goals and creating a budget plan, and monitoring your progress. 4 or 5 keywords, perfect. Budget planning worksheets, tracking income and expenses, setting goals, budget plan, and monitoring. These are good keywords to have in your description for this item. Our budget planner is perfect for anyone looking to get organized and stay on top of their finances. General description, but it's still good, it has keywords. With its easy to use layout, you will be able to quickly and easily stay on track with your budget and reach your financial goals. Kind of repetitive, so I might scratch this sentence. Get started today and take control of your finances. Other than this sentence, I really like it. I just might tweak it a little bit to include maybe a few of my other keywords that I predefined before. So overall, as you can see, Canva is really good at generating descriptions for your items. If you are still using the free version of Canva, I'm not sure if you have access to this feature or not. But if you would like to upgrade to Pro, there is a link in my description, and if you would click that and use that to sign up for Canva Pro, I would really appreciate it. It helps out the channel so that I can create more free tutorials and more free videos for you guys. And now let's see what ChatGPT does with this same exact prompt. You have to sign up to ChatGPT either with your email address or your phone number. I heard mixed feedback with this. I signed up with my phone number and I was able to access it right away. But some people who signed up with their email address are still on the waitlist. So I don't know how fast you can get on ChatGPT, but if you already have an account, it is a really good thing to start creating descriptions in. So this is the main page of ChatGPT, and let's add the same prompt. I'm just going to copy paste it. Okay, and we wait a few seconds to let's see what ChatGPT comes up with. It is generating the description now, and it's quite short. Usually I get longer descriptions, but it's still very good. And if you would like, at the end you can combine the two descriptions that Canva and ChatGPT generated, and then you will have a super description. So let's see, what did we get here. Get organized and take control of your finances with our printable budget planner. This is a really good sentence to start with. This comprehensive and easy-to-use planner includes all the important categories to help you keep track of your income and expenses. A very good sentence. It has 3 or 4 keywords in it. Simply print it out and start planning your budget today. I would rephrase this part, but start planning your budget today is really good. Sleek minimalist design. It fits perfectly into your binder or notebook. This is another great keyword-filled sentence for printable products. Don't wait, take control of your finances now. Both descriptions are really good. In this case, I would prefer the Canva one, but this is a really good option as well. Maybe let's try to give ChatGPT another chance and let's give it another prompt. Now let's say the Etsy product description for wedding planner template. I think this one will be a longer description. You do not want your first part of your description on Etsy to be very long because people might get bored and don't read through all of the essential information. Let's see what ChatGPT came up with. Say I do stress-free wedding planning with our printable wedding planner template. Well, I didn't say printable, so if you have an editable one, then you might think about swapping this printable word into editable. This comprehensive and user-friendly planner includes all the essential categories to keep track of your special day details. Good, I would tweak it a little bit. For budgeting to vendor contract, this planner, it has it all. Simply print it out, fill in the details, and watch your dream wedding come to life. It will make a beautiful addition to your wedding binder or notebook. Start planning your dream wedding today. Well, I am not very happy with this description, so let's give it another try. Let's see what it comes up with. I'm just simply going to give it the same prompt again. It gave me the same one, so I gave it a negative feedback. So let's give the same job to Canva. I'm just going to go on Magic Write again and paste in the prompt. Now let's see what did it come up with. I think that this one will be better. Congratulations on your upcoming wedding. A wedding planner template is perfect to help you plan your big day. This template includes helpful step-by-step instructions, budgeting tools, and customizable timeline to keep your planning your wedding a breeze. This one seems better, but I would still combine the two descriptions that ChatGPT and Canva gave me. So yes, that's how I would use artificial intelligence to write descriptions for me. As you can see, these sentences are filled with keywords, and I didn't have to give them the keywords that they had to include. They were able to put those keywords right in those first few sentences for maximizing the SEO boost that the items need on Etsy for ranking. And these softwares are really easy to use. As you saw it, I just had to give it a prompt and I got the description in just a few seconds. Tell me in the comments down below, have you used any of these tools before? How are you using them? And if you think that these are helpful with your Etsy descriptions. Thank you very much for watching today's video. I really hope that you found it helpful and that you can incorporate these steps into your Etsy business. Whether you are selling digital products, print on demand, or regular physical products, I think that these tips might help you speed up your processes. Thank you again for watching. Please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you will never miss another video in which I talk about making money on Etsy, how I do Etsy, making money online, and so on. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye!